Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Proton VPN Plus plan, full guide step by step clearly. Once you're on the home page, look for the pricing tab in the menu. Click on the pricing tab to view the various subscription options available. Scroll down until you find the Proton VPN Plus plan. Click on the Get Proton VPN Plus button associated with that plan. You will be redirected to a sign-up page. If you already have a Proton account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, look for the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information such as your email address and a strong password. After entering your details, click the Create Account button. Once your account is created, you may receive a verification email. Check your inbox for the verification email and follow the instructions to verify your account. After verification, return to the Proton VPN website and log into your account. Navigate back to the pricing section. Select the Proton VPN Plus plan again. Choose your preferred payment method from the options provided. Fill in the necessary payment details. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click the Complete Purchase button to finalize your subscription. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Log into the Proton VPN app or website to start using your Plus plan features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.